Mustos. That's some sick ass cars. What's going on, guys? Thank you for checking out another video. Today's gonna be a fun one for me. Finally taking this car to its like second meet. It still needs a lot of work, a lot of little touch-ups, but it's actually a good meet. Heat Wave, the company that makes the sunglasses, they're pretty local to me. So, and it's like a lot of off-road inspired, drift inspired, like racing stuff. So I was like, oh, I can't miss it. So might as well take it out. But yeah, I was there maybe, I think they did an event like 2 years ago when I first moved up to the Bay Area, and they had like dirt jumps. There was like trophy trucks and Baja and stuff. So it was a very sick turnout. So I'm excited for it. Excited to drive this car. I miss driving this shit so much, but it is stressful because I still need to do a lot of work. There's a lot of like just little touch-up things. It's misfiring right now too, so that kind of sucks. It's not running the best, but we're gonna make the best out of it and bring you guys along.
Guys, I miss vlogging, honestly, but I just been super busy with just life in general. Starting a detailing company, so I've been super busy with that and just trying to grow that. I'm not really focused on cars, honestly. Like, I love cars and everything, but like I'm trying to set myself up for the future. So yeah, I just been investing, honestly. So it's like it's into the detailing company and just like investment stocks and stuff like that. So that's where like a lot of my time's been focused on. And it sucks not vlogging. It sucks not dumping money into cars because I want to fix this thing so bad and have it running like super good. But trying to be a big boy, I guess. But we're gonna start focusing more on this. Everything's kind of like getting to like a steady point where I'm not like super like busy doing like the behind the scenes type of things. So yeah, hopefully you guys missed me. I missed you guys. Hopefully you guys are all doing well and got to go enjoy a nice little car show. I'm happy as hell driving this fucking car. So even though it's not running the best, it's misfiring, you can hear it, but gotta enjoy the process, and I'm ready to have a good day. This car is just wild, honestly. It's pretty crazy, especially with like the welded diff and everything. My hydro's in, but I don't have my lines ran, so that kind of sucks. I can't swing it. And the tires I have on right now are like a track tire. They're the ones I bought the T's on, so I haven't changed them. But yeah, they're like super sticky. Like I don't even know what brand they are, honestly. I never checked, but yeah, I've tried to do like a little corner whip, and they just hook. So that's like really fucking giving the means.
Alrighty, just made it to the meet. Got some pretty good parking. I was already up tons of bunch of crazy shit. You got these fucking, I don't even know what they are. They got some sand rails, all kinds of things. A GT3 RS 992. So it's about to be a crazy turnout. Got some drift cars over there. So I'm excited. These things are so crazy to me. It's probably so fun in the dirt. Damn, my boy got fucking, I don't even know what that is. But had to come over here, flex my angle. But I've seen this little drift car before. I think he works at Drift HQ. I think it's clean. This Camaro is wild. This Camaro is fucking wild. Like literally wild. Got the exhaust right there. This thing is super well put together. Damn. I think it's super clean. Well built. Damn, that thing is crazy looking. Damn, these builds here. Look how huge these fucking turbos are. Some crazy ass welding even. There's some crazy ass well built cars. Damn. This thing is clean. I feel like all these things are so fun to drive. Things on sequential too. Got a hydro. Damn, there's a lot of clean cars right here, especially drift cars. Nice E36. Got the cage, half cage, all red. Boys on a Haltech. Got the LZ steering wheel. My boy's fitted too. Damn, this thing looks so sick with graphics on it. I eventually wanted to do that. Design some like livery when the car is well put together eventually. So I got a lot of plans for it. I want to get those Euro lights for my Mustang too, because I feel like the red just throws it off. But damn, there's a bunch of sick cars here. You got this S13, got a lot of vets, Matt's Fields, demo car. Has interior too. I kind of regret taking out my carpet. I felt like I shouldn't have done that. But you live and you learn. They got a little drift track, but look at it. They got a little S550, a little Mustang. That's sick. Got all these crazy ass trucks. I think they're gonna be jumping them because they were jumping this last time, a little buggy. He's the one that did all the crazy ass videos back in the day, I feel like, on the freeway jumping it. Just crazy how much stuff there is to these things. Like, so much shit you don't even know where to look at. There's a lot of well-built cars. Like, they put the time and thought things through. Little cutouts for the turbo. This thing is clean. It's probably fun as hell to drive. It's caged even. God damn. Yeah, look how clean that is. That's crazy. That's probably fun as hell to drive. Side exit. Got this C6 here, Z06. Very clean and red. That's what's next on the Mustang build. I want a swung neck, but I don't think anybody really makes it for the Mustang. I could probably just buy one and measure it, make sure it's like universal type of thing. But yeah, that's what's next. A big wing on the Mustang. But I still want one of these. I'm in between one of these or a F80 recently, but HGK just came out with a carbon Kevlar wide body, and I'm so tempted to get an F80 and do that. Or a F30, but it doesn't get better than this. Some bomb ass tacos. And some sick ass cars. It is. I'm sure they built it. But I think he's about to go jump it. Oh, it's crab walking. Look what showed up. That's money. I feel like you never see those. Cool thing about this meet, they got a variety of things. So they got Lambos, fucking trucks, drift cars. But I have trucks over there jumping. So that's what's cool about it. We have this Evo, full-on race car. Oh yeah, I didn't tell you guys, but I did order these. They came in the mail maybe like a couple days ago. But damn. That's so crazy. Literally a full-on race car. Got the air ducts. I would drive this thing all day. This thing is so hard. I think it's a Cadillac, I think. But this thing is slammed. That is fucking pimp. Mobbing in with the kids in the back.
Well, that was a good turnout, honestly. I like those beats because there's a variety of like